Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your dost and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to shorten your affiliate link using Bitly. So if you don't know how to shorten your affiliate link, then watch this episode till the end. But before telling this, I just want to say that as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to download this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to shorten your affiliate link using Bitly so you can promote your affiliate products in a right way. So now here you can see that I have logged in into my Bitly account, and here I would say Bitly is a free software, or you can say free tool that you can use to make your long looking and ugly looking affiliate link short. It's a free tool. You don't have to pay anything. So simply you go and create your account with Bitly. And here I am assuming that you have created your Bitly account, and then go and log in into your Bitly account. And then what you have to do, simply after login into your account, what you have to do, simply you have to click on that button that says create a new. But before showing you how to shorten your affiliate link, first let me show you my affiliate link, how it looks. As you can see, I have logged in into my ClickFunnels account. Actually, it is my new account that I have created. It's my new affiliate account that I have created. Now here you can see product list that I can promote, you can see, and these are my affiliate links. Now here one thing I just want to ask you, that as you can see, let's assume, this one. Now it is long looking and ugly looking affiliate link. Now if I ask you that, if I give you this link, this long looking and ugly looking affiliate link, will you click on that link? I hope your answer is no, because somewhere it looks spammy and nobody will click on that link. And here I see that somebody who's new, they commit this mistake. Straight away they go and create their affiliate account, they grab their affiliate link and they start promoting that ugly looking and spammy looking affiliate link. Come on, this is not the right way. This is not the right practice as an affiliate marketer. I can understand it's a beginner mistake, so it's not your fault. I have done this mistake too. But later on I got to understand that yes, if you want to treat this affiliate marketing business as a real business, and if I want to do this business in a professional way or in a right way, then it is always a good practice. Use your custom domain, or if you don't want to use your custom domain, then at least you can make your long looking affiliate link short. So there are other tools that you can use to make your affiliate link short, but here in my case I'm using Bitly. So overall idea is that never ever use your long looking and spammy looking affiliate link to promote your affiliate offer. You can see it is very ugly. So what I will do, I will just copy that link, and then I will go to my Bitly account, and now here can you see that create new? I will click on that and then link. Click on that link, and here you have to paste your affiliate link. Got it? And now one more thing that you have to do. Can you see that custom back half? So here you can give it a name of your affiliate link. For example, as I'm promoting funnels and templates, so just to make it professional, I can come up with any name, like my product name is funnels and template. So I can give it simple name, funnels template. Now it looks great. It looks more professional. But if I don't use this custom back half, then what will happen? Let me show you first what will happen. Now, successfully created. So it will be showing. Just wait. Yeah, you can see that. Now, this is my final link that I have to promote. And this is my long looking affiliate link, or you can say spammy link. Somewhere it looks like it's, although it is not spammy, but it looks like. So you can see that this is my final link. If I click on that, then it will be redirected to the offer that I am promoting. Yeah, you can see that. This is my affiliate link. Yeah. So this is the offer that I am promoting. You can see. But here, one thing that I can do, rather promoting this link, I can come up with, you can say, yeah, here I can change this and come up with something like funnels and template, or funnels template, save. If this name is not taken, then it will be showing successfully. Yeah, you can see that now it has been changed. Funnels template. Now it looks more professional compared to the previous one. Same thing, if I click on this link, then it will be redirected to the same offer that I am promoting. So now this is my final link that I need to promote. This is my final affiliate link that I need to promote, and this link I can add on my Facebook profile if I am doing Facebook affiliate marketing, or I can put this link in my Instagram account if I am doing Instagram affiliate marketing. So whatever you can say platform that you are going with, you can add this link in your bio section. Yeah, here you can see that, right? So that's the right way to promote your affiliate offer. Never ever promote these kind of long looking and ugly looking affiliate link. This is not the right practice. Please simply go to bit.ly, copy your affiliate link, click on that create new. Let me show you again. Create new, paste your link here, and then here in this custom back half, you can put the name of your affiliate offer so that it will look more professional. And then if it is not taken, then it will be showing here. It will be showing, yeah, successfully your link has been updated or your link has been created. If it has been taken, name has been taken, then you can come up with any other name. Got it? So that's the right way to promote your affiliate offer when you are doing affiliate marketing business, right? Now you know how to shorten your affiliate link using bit.ly so that you can promote your affiliate offer. So if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, one more thing that I want to say, there is a training going on, and this training is on 29th Jan. And in this training, you will get to know that how to go from 0 to $1 million selling digital products. So if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your online business, then this training is for you. Down below, I have put the link. You can go and register with this training. And yes, this training is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything to register with this training, right? So now that's it for today. And yes, once again, if you want to get my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email and I will give you free access to download this book, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.